Did you know that Vivaldi can display multiple websites in the same browser window at the same time? This feature is called tab tiling, and it's perfect for comparing pages, watching a video while browsing, monitoring multiple sites, or working with information side by side without constantly switching between tabs. To get started, open at least two tabs that you'd like to view together. The easiest way to create a tiled view is to hold down Control on your keyboard and click the tabs you want to include. Once the tabs are selected, right-click one of them and choose Tile from the menu. Vivaldi will instantly place the selected tabs into a split-screen view inside the same browser window. But tab tiling is much more than a simple split-screen feature. You can use different layouts, resize individual tiles, open links directly into a tiled view, and even arrange multiple websites exactly the way you want. One of the best things about tab tiling is that you're not limited to just two tabs. You can tile 3, 4, or even more tabs together. You can also drag additional tabs into the tiled view and place them exactly where you want, making it easy to build a layout that fits your workflow. Just keep in mind that the more tabs you add, the smaller each page becomes, so the ideal number depends on your screen size and what you're trying to do. Once your tabs are tiled, you can change the layout using the Page Tiling button on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Vivaldi supports vertical, horizontal, and grid layouts. A vertical layout places tabs side by side, which works great for comparing websites or documents. A horizontal layout stacks tabs above and below each other, which can be useful when working with wide content. And grid layout automatically arranges multiple tabs into rows and columns, making it ideal when you're viewing several pages at once. You can switch between these layouts at any time. You can also resize tiled tabs. Simply move your mouse between two tiles until the resize handle appears, then drag it in the direction you want. This allows you to give more space to the page that's most important while still keeping the others visible. Another useful feature is opening links directly into a tiled view. If you're on a web page and want to open a link alongside your current page, right-click the link and look for the option to open it as a tiled tab. Vivaldi will automatically place the new page next to your current one, saving you the extra steps of manually creating a tiled layout afterward. You can also rearrange tiled tabs if needed. Click and hold a tile's title bar, then drag it onto another tile. When Vivaldi shows the placement indicator, release the mouse button to move it into the new position. And when you're done using split screen mode, returning to normal browsing is easy. You can click the same page tiling button that you used to create the tiled view and select Untile Tabs to return all tabs to their normal layout. Tab tiling is one of Vivaldi's most powerful productivity features, and once you start using it, you'll often find yourself spending less time switching between tabs and more time actually getting things done. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi guides, tips, and browser customization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.